Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use the 3D rotation effect on Higgsfield AI. So if you have a video, if you have a picture that you want to showcase in 3D, this is the best AI effect for you to use to do that. So all you have to do to generate this particular type of video effect for your video is to go to higgsfield.ai. So on the website you would see that Higgsfield AI allows you to create the top-notch VFX effects for all kinds of videos. I mean, it's really crazy. All you have to do is to click on visual effects after signing in, and then scroll and choose the 3D rotation here, the very last one. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to a page like this. If any of this is similar to what you want to do for your video, just click on them. You can see most of them have different camera angles. Yeah, so you can just click on generate if you want to do something unique and customized. So once you are here, upload your image in this area, select your prompt in this area, describe your prompt, rather describe it properly, and allow your imagination to run wild and free. Now the next step will be for you to actually also when you are describing this, do not forget to add your camera movements and probably the speed you want, and then you can choose the model of choice here. I'll let you know that most of these effects come with a designated or predetermined or default model, which means that these models are usually the best to render that particular effect. However, you can always switch to a different one if that one does not suit your needs. So that's it, guys. Once you're done, just click on generate, and within minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, your video will be ready. However, if you're using the free one, you may take longer, or that's actually the duration for the one that's for people that are using the free account, and it's significantly shorter for people who are using the paid accounts. So I advise you actually get one, so that once your video is rendered, you will see it here. So these are the videos that I have created with this particular account I created. So I can go on to download it here, and so once you're done, you can just download it, and that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I'm going to see you in another video. Please subscribe to my channel as we are actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, guys, and do have a great day.